Welcome back. Director General of Goa Police T N Mohan has stated that drugs trade exists in Goa but on a very small scale. In an interaction with media persons on Friday, T N Mohan said that sale of prescribed drugs is major concern as it is increasing in the state. DGP also informed that in the wake of Chennai train blast, Goa Police has also received an alert from Intelligence Bureau and cops in the state have been put on alert.
I have a alert. We have alerted the concerned, but अभी तो कोई clarity नहीं है because सारे inputs आए नहीं हैं.
Things are likely to emerge from the scene itself.
So as it comes down, we will be looking at it. So
alert has been issued in Goa.
we have alerted the concerned. Yes, there has been the presence of drugs here. The last year's seizure, if my friend would correct me otherwise, last year's seizure has been the highest seizure in probably made by Goa Police, and
in almost a decade we had too many seizures.
The whole decade,
which were in we never had that many seizures.
That many seizures, and these seizures total to about 35 kilos, if I am not mistaken. 35 किलो की ड्रग्स थे. 35 किलो की ड्रग्स में मैक्सिमम ड्रग्स वर व्हाट वी कॉल द सॉफ्ट ड्रग्स, गांजा चरस टाइप के थे. What is of concern though is that they have captured what I call sizable seizure of what we call the prescription drugs. Prescription drugs are drugs which we all should take seriously because they fall into the hard drug category and they are easy to come by because it is manufactured by the pharma chemical industries.
State Human Rights Commission has issued notice to the management of old age home at Aldona. The parties will have to file their reply by 3rd June. STELLA DOULTON, an aged woman, was forced to vacate the old age home on 30th April. STELLA had earlier complained that she was mentally harassed and tortured by the new management. She is shocked, traumatized and homeless at present.
STELLA DOULTON told us how she was harassed by the new management of old age home at Aldona.
They have no respect for the old people and they think they can do anything, especially the nuns. They're so bad that even she cursed me so badly that before I died, there will no be to give me a drop of water, and this is my curse on you. And second day, kire potele koi mujhe utar. So it is too much for me to take. And today I am shocked because today is my last day there. With the help of Mr. Shagas Karwalo, I think I can still live there.
Now, State Human Rights Commission has issued notice to the Home for the Aged, Institute of Charity of the Sacred Heart of Jesus and Mary, Kotarbhat, Aldona. STELLA's counsel has said that accused parties will have to file their reply by 3rd of June.
We have filed a case before the Human Rights Commission for violation of human rights of the elderly going on in the old age home at Aldona. So the case is now kept on 3rd of June for hearing and notices have been issued to the managing committee.
Shyam Sundar Fatte with Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Gold, diamonds, marriages, cars, new ventures. One of the auspicious days in Hindu calendar, Akshaya Tritiya, was celebrated in the state on Friday. Sellers and proprietors claim better market response and higher sale.
See, the offer right now on jewelry is $299 per gram, and on diamond jewelry it's 50% off on making charges. Yes, mostly now since the wedding season, most of the traditional jewelry they buy, necklaces, patle, tode, goat and all the stuff because since wedding season.
अक्षय तृतीया हो आमच्या हिंदू धर्माक ते ऑस्पिशियस डे म्हणटात आणि त्या दिसा जर खंयचेय भांगर किंवा कसली बरी वस्तू घेत जाल्यार जिवनान भरभराटी येता अशें आमचो समज आसा. म्हणून अक्षय तृतीयेक आमी मुद्दामून गोल्ड किंवा कसली म्हत्वाची वस्तू बाय करपाक येता हांगासर. तातूंत एडिशनल बेनिफीट हो तांचे रिलॅक्सेशन आसा, थोडे मेकिंग चार्जीस अशे. दॅट्स द ओनली बेनिफीट.
No, usually they say if you buy Akshaya Tritiya on Akshaya Tritiya, it gets double for the next year. Maybe that's the one thing I thought I'll buy gold on this day.
So Akshaya Tritiya, basically we have a national offer. in Goa we have an offer of free gold pendants. So basically for every 10,000 of diamond jewelry and every 10 grams of gold jewelry, there is a gold pendant free for the customer. Response has been really good, not only for the offer but in general. Tanish, the response have been really good.
Sales has been very good today. We are delivering total of 40 vehicles from this location, and overall we are 150 plus vehicles delivery for today. Obviously, because being Akshaya Tritiya, so customers find it very auspicious day to purchase the vehicle.
See, in Hindu culture, this Akshaya Tritiya is considered as very auspicious day. I mean, see, whatever we purchase today, so it will, it will enhance, in terms of a quantity or in value and all like. So that's why we go for Akshaya Tritiya to buy either gold or vehicle, anything like.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.